Welcome to the flowerschool.com video library. I'm Leanne Kessler, director of the Floral Design Institute, and today I'm here to share with you a candlelight centerpiece. It's perfect for the holidays of today, so a centerpiece for 2021. The base, a foam ring with the base already in it, so it's set to go, pre-soaked with flower food. The candles, battery operated, so that they're safe. You don't have to worry about leaving them burning unattended. The materials, a collection of autumn treasures, including one of my favorites, the marigold. First step is to cover the sides to make sure that you're not going to see the mechanics. Using aspidistra, giving it a cut, then just inserting it into the foam at a strong angle, and then wrapping it around. Now you can attach it with a greening pin, but even easier to take the next leaf, give it a cut, and insert it directly into the first one, and then wrap, and bring in the next, and again, just insert it into the previous leaf, and wrapping, and then when you get to the end, that's when you can go back and finish it off with a greening pin. To help conceal the top, doing the same thing with a few more leaves, just inserting them and wrapping them around. And this time, rather than using a greening pin, come back with the main flowers. Maybe a creme brulee rose. They open so big and full, and they hold open just wonderfully. And then setting that down in, anchoring the leaf in place. Repeat that. Bring in another leaf and another rose. Anchoring it down in. And finish with roses and marigolds for a full and lush look. To finish, just a little bit of green. Some green trick dianthus. Almost looks like moss on a stick. Tucking it in very low, close. To draw attention to the roses and marigolds. Bring it out onto the side to draw the eye down just a bit. And then the soft green of the lisianthus, almost pistachio, giving it a cut, helping it to open out, give it a little fullness, and then tucking it in place to add vibrancy throughout the design. The center, filling it with the candles, tucking them right in. Adding that soft glow. Then to personalize and add a contemporary touch, going back with some dried and dyed bunny tails, just gathering them in your hands, giving them a cut, and then placing them down, letting them be a little taller, adding soft movement to the design and repeating throughout. Just adding that next layer of texture to finish the detailing. The recipe for creating this design, I started with a 10.5-inch wreath base, and then I used 6 aspidistra leaves to conceal the mechanics. Flowers, 9 of the creme brulee rose, 8 marigolds, 3 stems of the green trick dianthus, 3 stems broken apart of that soft green lisianthus, and then 6 clusters of the dried bunny tails. Together, a wonderful centerpiece. As the world has changed, gatherings are different, but traditions become so important. Thinking about the circle of life, the warmth of candlelight, and intimate gatherings, flowers always at the center, You'll find more creative inspiration at our website, flowerschool.com. If you have questions, you can reach us through there or pick up the telephone and give us a call at 503-223-8089. Now it's your turn. Create a fabulous centerpiece. Be sure to take a picture, post it on social media, and hashtag Floral Design Institute. That way we all can see what you do as you do something you love.